Hello all viewers and my students. Today I'm going to make a dangerous trap circuit. To make this circuit we need four main components. This one is a power generator module of 400 kilovolt. This one is a relay module, the 3.7 volt battery, and this one is a IR sensor module, as you can see. Okay, so let's connect this all and let's see how it works. I have used this breadboard for the entire connection. I have shorted this 2 point by using this short wire. This short wire. So now you can see this is the entire connection of circuit. This is the battery holder or battery connector, lithium battery connector. This is the power module generator. This is the relay module circuit. So it's a relay module.